Such a yes, another cold front is. It's raining. I take out this off of the line. Hey, Chad, somebody here. I'm eating Frank's with bean, with rice and peas, and fried chicken. This is what I'm eating. So technically, this is Sunday morning with bean and Frank's. What time is it? Let me check the time. It's 1:13 p.m. Okay. This is kind of mixing. Oops. You know, chat that a lot of people don't eat Sunday, Monday. Me, I eat Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, right back to Friday. And so the food always stays extra after the Sunday. Such a yes, another cold front is headed to Jamaica. It will mostly be like in hilly areas and northern areas. Chat, get on a sweater ready. Check this video out.
Strong winds and rough seas are expected on the north coast. A cold front is coming, guys. A cold front is expected to move across the island tonight, that's Monday night, through to Tuesday, tomorrow, and Wednesday. And that's according to the Met Service. The Met Service says slightly cooler temperatures and windy conditions, especially across northern parishes and hilly areas, should be expected. And temperatures may fall 4 degrees below average. Now, for today, the forecast is partly cloudy, while isolated showers are expected across sections of southern parishes and hilly areas this afternoon. So get in a sweater ready.
So I hope y'all get ready for the reception from the area home. I get a chance to plus I need to look on this. Oh, I'm not turning on the light in the whole and chat. Oh, Jesus. You did blind me with the remote there. Alright. It's a card in the wheel. Another shot. Kind of got unbug me now. Spaghetti down this so light bright like daylight. That's what time it is. It is currently 3:48. Alright. I'm gonna turn so. One if the ear can't take eats. Technically it's plastic in a chat. But I started on low. You can take heat. Focus down this one. So routine, if you set it in a way. So when you use it in a burn the couch and anything. Oh, let's set it back on this. Oh jeez, I put it right there so. Alright. Hold on. I'll turn it on. 150. I start at 130. Maybe 130 too low. Alright, 152. 300. You can see it? For the scoochie. Alright, shots. So I can flat iron this thing. Chat to the most realize by now. They will start the crew right 1 o'clock. And on a special time.
There's nothing they can fix. Every few people, untrained people, they go in the caves and get stuff. The kid residents. Yeah, I know you fucking say.
So there's a TV yellow. Pardon in French. Just put it on mute. Pull it out. Alright. I wonder if I can push up the heat some more. Put it on a 190. You know what? Let me leave it. Alright. Tag one. Alright, so chat, it can take a little heat. So if you're new over here and you want to see the installation of this here and find out the name of the hair and how many packs I use, you can watch the video. I post it right here for you guys. You can go watch it. So pull up. Mighty God. A stand pass through me here. Right. So before, after. Alright, so I'm gonna finish flat ends. Now me a bit of extra comb out. Alright, so this is it. This is it. It's raining. I take out this off of the line. I'm so cold front and rain. Jaja. Ja. carpet has soaked. I'm not sure no. The carpet has soaked. Ready? Whoa, the carpet. Where there? Cold front, rain, Roger. It's 4:30 p.m. chat. Oh God, my poor carpet. Washed yesterday and soak in a rainwater today. I'm gonna wash it over when all this weather is over, chat. If I not wash it, chat, you know it's gonna smell of rainwater and it's smell good. So I have to go start it over again. Hold on. And when it rains, what's that? When it pours, it rains, and when it rains, it showers. Whatever that's saying, though.